Imagine living your dream in some of the world's most breathtaking locations. Picture yourself standing amidst the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, where every stone tells a story of its own. This majestic site, set high in the Peruvian Andes, offers not just a glimpse into the past, but an unmatched view of the present. Travel a little further, and you encounter the Rainbow Mountain, a spectacle that appears as though the earth has spilled its colors. Nearby, the serene blue waters of Humantay Lake reflect the tranquility of the Inca ruins, each telling tales of a civilization that thrived on these highlands. Shift your gaze to the unique Huacachina Oasis, a mirage-like scene surrounded by towering sand dunes. It's a perfect spot for those who find solace in the sand and thrill in the adventure of dune buggying. Moving southwards to Cusco, a vibrant city that was once the capital of the Inca Empire. Here, modern life dances to the beats of history in its colorful neighborhoods and lively plazas. Now, let the winds of adventure carry you across the ocean to the icy realms of Iceland. Imagine standing by the edge of a glacier lagoon, where icebergs drift silently across mirror-like water, telling tales of ancient frost. Next, soak in the geothermal waters of the Blue Lagoon, or witness the majestic fall of water at one of Iceland's stunning waterfalls, where the vapor mists create rainbows on sunny days. Travel along the coast to behold the dramatic Vestrahorn mountain, rising from black sand beaches like a scene from a fantasy epic. It's a place where the earth seems to touch the sky. And just when you think you've seen it all, the northern lights appear, dancing across the Icelandic sky in a spectacular display of nature's own theater. Every destination holds a story, every scene a memory waiting to be made. Don't miss out on our next adventure. Subscribe to see what's next.